Hey everyone, this is John Rollins, here to show you my 2012 Ram 2500. This is a crew cab, long bed, four-wheel drive, Tradesman package. This truck is in beautiful shape for a 2012. It's been very well taken care of. The truck did come from Texas. We shipped it in, so it's completely rust-free. Nice chrome rear bumper, factory tow package. The bed is in beautiful shape, very clean. Done both the driver's side and the passenger side are very straight. Factory chrome wheels. The tires do have a lot of life left. It's kind of hard to see the depth, but they do have a lot of life left. I would say they're about 75%. Tinted rear windows. Factory tow mirrors, cab lights. Of course, it's got the nice big ranch hand style front bumper, chrome grille. This truck runs out, drives great. Let's go ahead and take a look at the inside of it. You've got a black interior, full power options. This truck does have leather seats. Looks like it's got heated seats as well as air conditioning seats. Perforated leather seat. The driver's seat is in good shape. You do have a little bit of, you got a crack right here as well as right here, and of course a little bit of wear on the outside seat edge. That's typical just getting in and out of the vehicle. You've got a factory trailer brake controller located right here. Tilt wheel. You've got all your steering wheel controls. The left side here, that's for your dash readouts. On the right side here, that's for your cruise control. This truck has 127,784 miles on it. 6-speed, 68 RFE transmission. CD player, you've got an auxiliary input. Factory exhaust brake, tow haul mode, traction control. That's light tire load inflation. If you want to keep your tires less than 80 psi, you can turn that on. It won't turn your tire pressure monitor light on your dash. There's your climate controls. This is nice because you do have the cup holders down here at the bottom. You've got the four-wheel drive shifter on the floor as well. Nice center console here. Of course, your two storage dividers to give you 3 storage areas. Standard on the Dodge trucks. Flip it up if you've got somebody else riding along with you. The rear seats are in beautiful shape, just like the fronts. The bottom lifts up. You've got storage under the seats. You've got cup holders right there in the middle. I did forget to mention, the truck does have the nice rubber floor. In the rear, you've got these 2 storage compartments. That way, if you've got anything you want to keep that you don't put underneath the rear seat, you've got an extra compartment, 2 of them, one on each side in the rear. Here's another look at your dash. There are no odors on the interior of this truck. It does not look like it's been a smoker. The headliner is in beautiful shape as well. No rips or tears. Now the passenger seat does have a little rip right here in the seat bottom. I can have that repaired if you'd like. If not, if you want to throw seat covers on it, you'll never see it again. 6.7 liter Cummins turbo diesel, factory airbox, but this truck does have the DPF delete pipe. You've got the EGR delete as well. It does have an H&S Mini Max programmer. I've got that for it. Again, this is John Rollins. Thank you for watching my video. If you're interested in this truck, please give me a call directly. You can reach me at 614-563-9999. I do have financing available. I take trades and I do have nationwide shipping. Thank you.